So we're gonna stay inside the car. As you can see, ayan, napakatayo. Up here. Congratulations. Oh, nasa tuktok na po tayo ng mountain. And cable cars. That's actually first key. Wow! Oh, yan, ebidensya, we're here. Kahit umuulan, pumapasok na yung ulan. Here.
Basa na may.
It's raining. Oh, dati zero visibility now. Wala, ulan. Yeah, we're at the top of the mountain. Okay. Bye. Can you see those cable cars? Cable cars ba yun? Nasa front tayo ng ocean. And then,